Fruit fly, scientifically known as Drosophila melanogaster, is a member of order Diptera. This insect can be found all over the world, except on the Antarctica. Fruit fly can survive in various habitats, but it does not tolerate areas associated with extreme climate conditions such as deserts and high mountains. Fruit flies often inhabit people's homes because humans provide food and shelter both for adult insects and their eggs. Fruit fly is very important for scientific studies and it is often used as model organism in laboratories around the world. This insect is abundant in the wild and it is not on the list of endangered species. Interesting fruit fly facts. Fruit fly is small organism that can reach 0.098 inches in length. Females are slightly larger than males. Fruit fly has red eyes and beige body with black transversal bands on the abdomen. Fruit fly has hairy body and sticky feet which facilitate transmission of bacteria that can be harmful for human health. Fruit flies beat their wings 220 times per second. During the flight, fruit flies are able to make sharp turns and rotate their bodies for 90 degrees in just 50 milliseconds. Eyes of fruit fly consist of 760 individual lenses. 2/3 of fruit fly's brain is responsible for visual processing. Fruit fly consumes bacteria and sugar from decaying fruit and vegetables. Fruit flies can be often seen near the bowls of fruit, glasses of wine, garbage and trash cans. Fruit fly reproduces quickly, produces large number of eggs and it is cultivated easily under laboratory conditions. Thanks to these factors, fruit fly is often used in experiments associated with genetics, evolution and neurobiology. Even though fruit fly has only 4 chromosomes, its genes are similar with humans' genes. 75% of genetically linked human diseases can be induced and examined in a fruit fly. Fruit flies are used in the study of Parkinson's and Alzheimer's disease, aging, cancer, immunity, alcohol and drug abuse. Fruit fly undergoes 4 developmental stages in its life cycle. Complete development, from egg to adult insect, lasts from 7 to 50 days, depending on the temperature. During the courtship, male produces song by vibrating his wings, changes the posture of the body and licks female's body before she becomes ready to mate. Female mates with more than one male and collects sperm cells inside her body. She lays up to 100 eggs each day. Female can lay up to 2,000 eggs in a lifetime. Female usually lays eggs in the rotting fruit and vegetables. Larvae hatch after several days. They molt 2 times before they encapsulate themselves and transform into pupa. 4 days later, adult insect emerges. Fruit fly can survive up to 30 days in the wild. Lifespan can be extended 3 times under laboratory conditions.